Tesla Giga Texas reaches production capacity of 5K Model Ys per week. Tesla Giga Texas continues to ramp up production and has reached the next milestone. A production capacity of 5,000 Model Ys per week. The milestone was reached just 1 month after production reached 4,000 vehicles per week. Going into mass production is the most difficult stage for manufacturers. Usually, it is a new product that requires new technologies, and in the case of Tesla, they are new not only for the company but for the entire industry. So the technology was invented from scratch. This becomes even more difficult when new manufacturing processes have to be applied in a new plant that was recently commissioned. Giga Texas officially launched just over 1 year ago. On April 7th, the factory celebrated its first anniversary. Here, Tesla has had to work very hard to get the factory up and running neatly, while some parts of it continued to be completed. In addition, the company is using new production equipment and a team that needs to learn how to operate it. Tesla also depends on the production volume of its new 4,680 battery cells, and will be able to ramp up Model Y production as cell production increases. At the end of August 2022, Giga Texas reached a production capacity of 1,000 Model Ys per week, which was achieved in 4.5 months. Just 3.5 months after that, on December 15th, Giga Texas announced another milestone: the production of 3,000 cars per week, tripling the previous result. On April 2, 2023, Tesla announced it had reached a new production milestone of 4,000 Model Ys per week. Just over 1 month later, on May 9, Tesla announced Giga Texas had reached production of 5,000 Model Ys per week. At this point, the factory is producing about 714 cars a day. His means Giga Texas has already reached a production capacity of more than 250,000 Model Ys per year. And the increase in production continues. Along with Giga Berlin, the factories already have a production capacity of more than 500,000 Model Ys per year. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.